Hi, hello, and welcome to Dr. Ashwinth Dental Info. This is the eighth part of the NEET MDS preparation strategies which I have been posting in this channel. I just got 100 subscribers and I am really thankful to you, and I will make sure to thrive hard to give you valuable and informative content. In this video, we will be seeing how to actually approach a subject and learn the maximum out of it within a particular time frame. So you have three essentials first. The first thing is how many number of days do you have to finish the subject, and the second thing is how many chapters do you have, and the third thing is what are the other materials you need to refer for that subject. Keep these three things ready and you are good to go. The first thing, an ideal amount of time for a particular subject is 14 days. It can be extended even up to 20 days if your subject is large like oral pathology and stuffs like that. And you have your number of chapters. Divide your number of days by number of chapters by number of days. Before that, divide your chapters as easy, medium and hard. This is very essential, and this is my type of approach, because every day when I start, I used to tell in my study vlog that I start with the easiest chapter first. I will not complete the chapter, but I will start with it. Maybe 10 to 20 MCQs in the easiest chapter will give the momentum to start the day. So you divide your easy chapters first, your medium chapters and the harder chapters. Every subject will have all these three and you have to separate it. It can be based on the number of questions, or it can be based on your point of interest. Maybe you like gingival epithelium and basic periodontal anatomy most, and you may not like techniques and surgical techniques like that. So it's up to you. So you have your days, and you have the number of chapters, and you have the chapters divided as easy, medium and hard, and the second step is over. The third thing is what all do you need to read in the subject is what is needed. Now we have got all these three things ready. Take up a long size note, write the name of the subject on the top of a particular page, give the numbers from 1 to 10, or depending upon the number of chapters. If you have 20 chapters, number up to 20, and then you write what all you need to learn in that 14 days. For example, I have to revise revision exams, the class notes, my weekly test of 1 and 2, and the picture based questions of that subject, and the synopsis. And particularly with the synopsis, there is a tip which I got from my seniors. They usually divide the synopsis as 8 to 9 parts. A synopsis will normally range from 10 to 20 pages. If you divide it as 8 to 9 parts, daily you can read 2 to 3 pages, and it becomes easier, and you divide a major chunk into smaller chunks, and it becomes very easy to read. And there is also a technique called spaced repetition, which many people like Ali Abdal use, and I personally do not prefer it because it is a very tough technique. But if you are consistent enough, you can surely practice it. It is like you must read a particular topic and then get back to it at regular intervals. So that's the synopsis part. And other books, if you are referring current dental examinations or any other textbook particularly for that subject, if you feel it is important, you must write that also, so that when you finish the 14 days, you look at your page, you will see how much you have progressed. So these are the things which I have planned to read, and this is how I have finished. If you reach 80 to 70 to 80% of what you have planned to read, it is a very good start for the subject, because you will be getting back to the subject during your revision time, and you will also go through the subject during your grand revision, which is 10 to 24 days before the exam. I will be posting videos about that too. So this is how you actually approach a subject. Not every subject is not the same, because one subject will drain you and one subject will be easily finished off. A few subjects can be finished off within 6 to 7 days, and some may take up to 30 days also. So it all depends on how your interest, and but this is the basic plan, so stick to it. If you find this video useful, please give me a like and a subscribe, and share it with your friends so that they may find it useful as well. Thank you.